I just heard a knock, knock, knock. Sounded could have been somebody working on something. I don't know. But we made it back to the mounds. So that's where we are. Today we're going to sit and do some listening. Maybe get up and walk around a little bit. See what's new, see what's indifferent, see what we can find. That's our goal for today. See if our gifts are hanging around here still. A little stuffed animal. Been here since for a long time. Every time we come, our beads are on the ground again. Basically, all tore up. I mean, in little pieces. My goodness. There. I left them like that this time. Let's see what happens next time. There, let's go check this one. There should be some, there's the black beads right here. And there's broke all up again. Yep. They just all broke up. I don't know what's tore them up. But something did. Broke them all in half. Okay. Move these here. Incredible area. You have your X right there. You have your arch over there. You have a big arch up there. And you have a bunch of arches over there. And this is all new. And I cannot find the stump that I put the other gifts in. I don't know where it went. Maybe it's gone. Oh yeah, these are some nice arches over here. Oh, let's go see if the gifts are over here. Yeah. I know, me too. I'm hot. I thought it was going to be chilly today, but warmed up. I heard that. Knock, knock. Shells are still here. What's this? I know you left this. I know you left this, but what is this? This was by it and whatever. Oh, this must be part of a mushroom. What the heck? Huh?
Little fairy circle right here.
Oh yeah. I found this by this.
What is that? The mushroom?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, they gifted back, eh?
Yeah. And then I found, this is your rock, I imagine, right?
Yep.
Okay. There, guys. Just sitting here, it's nice and quiet, not windy, and something came out of this tree right here. It's not a pine cone tree. And so the only thing I can think of it could be this, because I'm looking on the ground and it looks like everything else is like covered by a leaf or a pine needle. And even that couldn't have been. I mean, no, couldn't have been that either. It isn't that big. I believe it was this one, I want to say. Is this the only thing that looks fresh, like not under any pine needles or leaves or anything like that besides that? No, even that one has pine needles on it. So I do think it was this one. 2 o'clock.
I'm sorry, 7 o'clock.
This way?
All right, I'll tell you when. Oh. More. Turn. Somebody keeps showing up. More. Turn. Keep going.
That's a tree.
Keep going. You should be looking right at something.
Trying hard. I'm trying hard.
I think they're gone now.
Gone? Dang. Gonna walk back a little bit. See what we got. I think this is one of my favorite little markers. I'll show it to you. Because there's so many different types of wood. Okay. There's so many types of woods in here. I've always liked that one. No, that's a bird. Crane, sandhill crane. That's a rooster. Sand. That was a sand hill crane. Yeah, that's a nice little, I like that little ground glyph. I like that, the way it's set up there. This is a crazy area. The meter's going off. Something fell out of a tree. We already heard wood knocks. Now those knocks were real. I think I got them on too. I think I had something running when that happened. This is the part I've never been back here.
More dogs.
Dogs. Ooh, this boy, something going on out here because this thing is going all off. Listen to that. That thing is zinging. Thing is zinging. Ah! It's an old one, but it's one. Ta-da! Feather. Feather. So you got this little arch right here. And I didn't hear it. Did you hear it? Oh, look at this. So you got this. That is being pinned down over there by like a little stick over there. And then you got this break, because it broke there, going right between that and down. Uh-oh, what are you seeing?
I did see, but I wasn't recording. So come back so we can see you, please. Come back.
You have seen so much with that stuff. I can't wait. Oh man, we gotta go in there. Let's look. I wonder what's back here. Man, oh man. Yeah. Oh, look. Is that a rock? What is that?
See how green it is and how beautiful it is. And the weather is like perfect. It's just a great day to be out here.
Like regardless.
I mean, look at how tall it is.
Look at this. Ooh. Ugh. Wow, it keeps on going and going and going. Ooh, it keeps on zinging and zinging and... I don't know how far back we should go because, like, I never been back here at all. This thing is zinging. Gee whiz. You like up where we were?
Yeah, no, I feel like it's a little less fluctuating than...
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
But then I see these arches here and out there, and I'm... Wow. Maybe.
Oh. This thing is zinging like crazy. What is that little thing? It looks like... Really nothing. Gosh. All right, we better stay where we know, huh? Ah, I'm in spider webs. What is that? Oh, cool, that thing's hanging. It broke off of the oak up there, and it's hanging. See it? Just hanging.
Yeah.
How is that hanging? Oh, let's go check it out. Boy, this thing is zinging like crazy. Ah. Are you with us, our friends? Are you with us? That's okay. It's okay. It's all good. We're going to come out of here. Oh, wow. Check this out. It's just a beautiful area. We haven't... Look at those palm fronds over there. They're like... And bear do that too,
Yeah,
so... Yeah, a lot of breaks. Whoa, wow. Check that out. Way back there, see? Like it's a little hut.
Look at this little tiny stat.
Yeah, that's a cat scat. Uh-oh.
What's going on with cats?
I don't know, but I've smelt them.
I don't know. It's cat down there.
Wow.
Irons? The lyre.
The lyrans.
Is it lyre?
I don't know. Look at this. Woo.
And,
That's nice. If I was an animal, I'd live here.
ooh.
Look at that back there. That looks nice. Nice. It's jammed in there and
Hey, Jimmy Bar.
gosh, you know how old this wood must be?
His cameraman over there.
See birds sitting up there. Favorite spot because there's look poop all over the place. Look at this. I need to get in here and look at this. Look at this. Wow. So you have an arch here. You have a tree going up there, bending down, holding onto that arch. And there's like a little walkway in here. And you have arches in there too. Look. Look at this. This is all snapped off. Snap, snap, snap. And look at that. See, arch going up that way. That's pretty cool. Amanda's on the phone, so that's the noise in the background. And then you have arches here. Oh, this is very nice. Interesting. This is some cool text right here. Look, this one. Mosquitoes are attacking me in here. Gee whiz. A little hanger there. Hanger. Wow, this is beautiful too. I mean, just the area back there. That's what I'm talking about, being beautiful. Oh my gosh. They just found me a tree stand. That's nice. There's a tree stand over here. Looks kind of new. I don't think anybody's in it because it's not hunting here right now. But you're supposed to take your stands out of the forest. Goodness. A couple owls going off. Don't know if you can hear them. I find this interesting, so it has to go from here, right between here, and up, right between here. Wow. I know that's natural. That's all natural there. That going that way, with the arch, might be something. This is really cool. So we have a little trident here. See this? It's broken off, and there's a trident leaning on this vine. Come over this way. And we have this tree here going up, down, and guess what? It's holding down that arch. There's another one over here, a small little arch. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna come this way because this is much better this way. So you have this arch here, held down by this rubble. And then you have all kinds of stuff. The more I look, the more I see. Oh my goodness. You have arches up here, as you see. Arches up here, got an arch there, and this stick here is holding those arches down. And then in here, you have another arch. You have a hanger. You got a floater, half floater up there. And there's more stuff in there that I haven't gone in there yet. But that's what we just found here, sitting in the area that we're actually sitting in, but behind it. Oh, that's pretty nice. Look at this little single branch here. Is hanging there. These are nice. This is a nice little area. Oh, look. Break. Oh, my goodness. I just know something. Break. Break. And break. Wow. That's nice.
Oh my God.
What happened? What's that noise?
Turn your camera on.
Where?
You're going to go back 2 o'clock from you. I'm sorry, 7 o'clock. Keep turning. I'll tell you when. Oh. More. Turn. Somebody keeps showing up. More. Turn. Keep going. Oh, man. Keep going. You should be looking right at something.